Hey Pixel users, have you been dealing with that super annoying lock screen freeze? Well, good news is on the way. Google just dropped the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 update. And it's all about fixing that one major bug. This update is rolling out now for the Pixel 6 series all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 lineup and even the foldables. Now, don't expect any flashy new features this time around. Google's entire focus with this release is on stability. Specifically, they've squashed the bug that was causing some phones to freeze up on the lock screen, forcing you to restart your device. If you're already in the Android beta program, you can grab this update over the air right now. Just head to your settings and check for a software update. For those of you suffering from that lock screen issue, this small update should make a big difference in your daily use. Thanks for watching.